Lay's new sweet potato poppables. I like sweet potato fries, so I hope these have a good sweet potato flavor on them. All right, there you go, poppables. Now these are coated with sea salt. I got a ton of flavor. Okay, that one was better. Definitely tasted more of the sweet potato. It seems like the more you eat them, the more flavor starts to come through. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a sweet potato now. These are not bad. I'd probably eat a handful of these at a time. I'm not gonna sit down and eat the whole bag, but effort score. Lay's sweet potato poppables and give you 7.7 out of 10. They are good. I just don't think I'd be eating more than a handful at a time. So, that being said, guys, I'll see you at the next one.